Are you looking for the best drywall knife? In this video, we will break down the top 7 drywall knives on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. DeWalt DWHT 20123 2-in-1 Folding Drywall Knife. This is the model you should get if you can make use of a jab saw and a rasp blade. The model makes use of a folding design. Both blades can be extended and retracted back into the handle, keeping them out of the way when they're not in use. That also means that this model folds down for travel, protecting the blades, and since it's smaller when folded up, it's a great smaller toolkit. The handle is also comfortable and might be the most comfortable one on our list due to its rubberized exterior. However, the blade has some lateral give. That's not a big deal if you're using this tool on a quick project, but if you're going to be working on a project that requires dozens of cuts, you'll probably want something more solid. Overall, this is a decent drywall knife for professionals. At number 2. Red Devil 4251 6-in-1 Painter's Tool, 2.5, black. This is a 6-in-1 tool that includes gouger, scraper, putty remover, spreader, roller cleaner and ale setter. Its black nylon handle will provide years of dependability. It features high carbon, precision ground steel blade. The knife is lacquered to prevent rust, and extends through the entire handle for maximum strength. Plus, it comes with brass-plated, solid steel nail setting head. Moreover, this is a pro-quality tool that's designed to last for years. At number 3. Edward Tools Blue Steel Taping Knife. The high-visibility ergonomic handle of Edward Tools Blue Steel Taping Knife is more comfortable and allows for easier finding. Its high-grade blue steel taping knife has better flex than stainless, and is more rust-proof. Plus, the tapered blade allows for tight use against corners without scraping. Additionally, this knife's high-visibility ergonomic handle is more comfortable and allows for easier finding. There is also hanging hole for easy storage. At number 4. Werner 123 Pro Grip Blue Steel Drywall Taping Knife. The brand is known for its soft grip taping knives and pro grip putty knives. This knife is just a testimony to its quality and build. This is the reason to try this taping knife. The 12-inch drywall knife is useful for mixing some uneven drywall with a joint compound. It's also helpful in scraping old paint off the drywall and adding plaster for filling holes. For using the knife for these tasks, there is no need to be a seasoned drywall professional. As the knife's sharp blade measures 12 inches, it is more suitable for applying finishing coats. This knife is known for its perfect blend of blue steel blades, ergonomic handles, and soft grip. This ensures perfect safety to your palm and fingers that will never move while the knife is in use. Its stiffness is ideal, yet it is sufficiently flexible to finish off a board. At number 5. LEVEL 5 8-inch Blue Steel Soft Grip Taping Knife. The most reliable aspect of this taping knife is that it is made using almost 20 years of input from the expert finishers. The blade of this knife is sturdier, thicker, and whiter than the most conventional designs. It is made using blue steel of high quality to ensure the desired flex level. Unlike the other drywall knives, this knife has a blade that is coated using a rust-protective substance. The handle possesses an ergonomic lightweight design, ensuring a comfortable grip to eliminate fatigue and keep you working longer. Thus, you can use the knife throughout the day without any hassle. At number 6. LEVEL 5 Stainless Steel Taping Knife. This is a professional-grade knife that is designed and built using nearly 20 years of input from professional finishers. It comes with premium stainless steel blade, which is precise flex for a better finish and faster application rates. The blade is ALIS corrosion resistant. The full soft grip handle is lightweight, comfortable and ergonomically designed for all-day use with minimal fatigue. It features alloy metal hammer end for resetting drywall nails. Plus, there is a large hang hole for putting it safely. At number 7. DeWalt Drywall Knife with Blades. The DeWalt Fixed Blade Drywall Utility Knife with 15 blades has a lot of features that most people will value. It comes with a soft grip. This model comes with onboard blade storage, so you'll be able to store up to 5 additional blades in the handle, which reduces the time it takes to change out a blade. This set also comes with 15 total replacement blades, so you'll be able to use this tool for weeks or months before you need to buy new blades.